In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run 32-bit applications on a Windows 11 64-bit system. It's a common scenario that many of us face, as software doesn't always update at the same pace as our operating systems. Fortunately, Windows 11 it's designed to support a wide range of applications, including those older 32-bit programs, which makes this process relatively straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to download the 32-bit installer, specifically the x86 version of the application you wish to run. For those unfamiliar, x86 refers to the 32-bit architecture, which is the older standard. Make sure you select the correct version from the developer's website or a trusted source to avoid compatibility issues. Once you've downloaded the installer, locate it in your Downloads folder. Simply double-click the file to start the installation process. This action prompts the installation wizard to launch, providing a guided setup to ensure everything gets installed smoothly. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Usually, it's just a matter of clicking Next a few times. Pay attention to any options or preferences you might want to customize. After installation, you're ready to launch the application, just like any other piece of software on your Windows 11 machine. You can start the program typically by finding it in your Start menu or using a desktop shortcut. The beauty of modern versions of Windows is that they automatically manage the differences between 32-bit and 64-bit software, so you won't need to worry about additional configurations for most programs. Now, if you're uncertain whether an application is 32-bit, you can verify this using Task Manager. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and EASD key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Task Manager for you. In the Task Manager window, navigate to the Details tab. Here you'll find a list of running processes. On some systems, you can identify 32-bit processes because they appear with a suffix of 32. For example, it might look something like appname.exe32, clearly indicating it's a 32-bit application. Additionally, another way to confirm if an app is 32-bit is by checking its installation location. Windows 64-bit systems usually differentiate install locations for applications based on their architecture. Therefore, 64-bit applications will generally be installed in the C++ program files directory. Meanwhile, the C++ program files, x86 directory is traditionally reserved for 32-bit software. By navigating to these folders, you can see where your application has been installed, providing another clue as to its architecture. And that's it. You should now have all the knowledge you need to run your 32-bit applications on a Windows 11 64-bit system without any hassle. I hope you found this information helpful and that your programs run smoothly. Thanks for watching.